Hello dog lovers, dogs are amazing, they are our best friends. Did you know dogs can't talk like us? It's true, but they talk to us in other ways. They use their bodies. Learning dog body language is important. It helps us understand our furry friends. It's like learning a secret language. Once you know it, you can talk to your dog. You can understand how they feel. This makes your bond stronger. It also keeps everyone safe and happy. Dogs use their whole bodies to talk. Think about it like this. They use their ears, tail, and even their eyes to tell us things. A wagging tail might mean they're happy, but a tucked tail could mean they're scared. Knowing these signals helps us be better dog owners. We can see when our dogs are happy and playful. We can also see when they are scared or uncomfortable. This helps us keep them safe and happy. A happy dog is a joy to be around. They show their joy in lots of ways. A big wagging tail is a classic sign. Their whole body might wiggle with excitement. They might even give you a big sloppy kiss. Another sign of a happy dog is a relaxed body. Their muscles will be loose, not tense. Their ears will be perky and alert, but not flattened back. They might even roll on their backs for a belly rub. Did you know? A dog showing you their belly trusts you a lot. Sometimes dogs get scared or stressed, just like us. It's important to know the signs. A scared dog might tuck its tail between its legs. Their ears might be flattened back against their head. They might yawn a lot, even if they aren't tired. If you see these signs, give your dog some space. Don't force them to interact. Talk to them in a calm and soothing voice. You can also try moving away from whatever is scaring them. If your dog seems very stressed, talk to a vet. Section 5. Recognizing warning signs and aggression. Sometimes dogs might feel threatened. They might show aggression to protect themselves. A dog showing aggression might have a stiff body. Their tail might be held high and stiff. They might growl or bare their teeth. If a dog shows these signs, it's important to be cautious. Don't approach the dog. Don't make eye contact. Slowly back away and give the dog space. If you are worried about a dog's aggression, talk to a professional trainer. Section 6. Dogs and yawning, not always about tiredness. Yawning isn't always about being tired for dogs. Sometimes it's a sign of stress. A dog might yawn if they are in a new place. They might yawn if they meet a new dog. It's their way of saying, I'm a little uncomfortable. If your dog yawns a lot, pay attention to their other body language. Are they showing other signs of stress? If so, give them some space and let them relax. Remember, yawning can be a way for dogs to calm themselves down. Section 7. Playtime clues. Is your dog having fun? Playtime is important for dogs. It's how they have fun and burn energy. But how can you tell if your dog is actually enjoying playtime? Look for playful bows. This is when a dog puts their front legs down and their behind up in the air. A playful dog will also have loose body language. They might wag their tail and even give playful barks. They'll want to engage with you and their toys. Remember, if your dog ever seems hesitant or unsure during play, stop and give them space. Section 8. Listen to your dog, building trust and safety. Learning dog body language is all about listening to your dog. It's about understanding what they are trying to tell you. When you listen to your dog, you build trust. You show them that you care about how they feel. This trust makes your bond stronger. It also helps keep everyone safe. When you understand your dog's signals, you can avoid misunderstandings. You can prevent situations where your dog might feel scared or threatened. Section 9. Becoming best friends. A lifelong journey of understanding. Learning about dog body language is a journey. It takes time and patience. But it's so rewarding. The more you learn, the better you'll understand your dog. You'll be able to communicate with them in a whole new way. So pay attention to your dog's body language. Watch their ears, tail, and body posture. Listen to their barks and growls. The more you learn, the stronger your bond will become. And that's what being best friends is all about.